Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we dive into the world of cryptocurrency and explore its impact on the global economy. So, what's been making headlines recently in the Bitcoin space? Well, our top story comes from Microstrategy, a company that's been making waves with its Bitcoin acquisition strategy. According to their latest filing, they've just added another 22,048 Bitcoin to their stash for a whopping $1.92 billion. Now, let's break down what that means in terms of price. We know the current market price is around $82,000 per Bitcoin, so with an average price of $86,969 each, we're looking at a pretty substantial profit margin here. The total value of their holdings now stands at over $43 billion. But how did they manage to fund this latest purchase? According to MicroStrategy's filing, the majority of the funds came from additional common share issuance. That's a fancy way of saying they issued more shares to raise cash. We're talking about a total of $1.2 billion worth in the week ended March 30th. Now, I know what you're thinking. How sustainable is this strategy? Well, Bitcoin Bulletin has been tracking MicroStrategy's movements closely, and it seems like their approach is working so far. By tapping into its SDRK preferred share ATM for an additional $18.52 million, they've further bolstered their funds. But that's not all. They also closed on a new SDRF preferred share offering, raising a whopping $711.2 million in the process. So, what does this mean for the broader Bitcoin market? Well, as James Van Straten, our senior analyst at Bitcoin Bulletin, points out, MicroStrategy's strategy is giving us valuable insights into the role of Bitcoin within the financial system. By monitoring flows and analyzing on-chain data, we can get a better understanding of how Bitcoin is being used and how it might impact the economy. And speaking of James' work, our own Stephen, managing editor for markets at Bitcoin Bulletin, has been following this story closely. He's seen firsthand how MicroStrategy's strategy is influencing the broader market and driving prices higher. So what does the future hold for MicroStrategy? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. With a total value of over $43 billion in Bitcoin holdings, they're well positioned to weather any storm that comes their way. That's the story from Bitcoin Bulletin. Stay informed, and we'll catch you in the next video.